Let me be honest with you for a second. The reason most YouTube videos don't get views has nothing to do with the content. It's the thumbnail. Look at these for a second. Same platform, same audience. One gets ignored, the other gets clicked instantly. And here's the crazy part. None of these went viral because the creator was lucky. They used a system. In this video, I'll show you how creators are making viral-style thumbnails using AI, without design skills, without spending hours in Photoshop, and without guessing what looks good. Stay till the end because I'll show you the exact tool that makes thumbnails people physically stop scrolling for. Most people overthink thumbnails. They add too much text, too many colors, too many ideas in one image. But viral thumbnails do the opposite. They communicate one clear emotion, one clear idea, instantly. Your brain decides whether to click in less than half a second. Not logically, emotionally. That's why simple, focused thumbnails beat thumbnails that are over-designed and cluttered. So instead of guessing, instead of copying random creators, I use an AI system that builds thumbnails the same way top YouTubers think. Let me show you exactly how it works. Go to Supabix and click Create Your Thumbnail. Here you'll get 5 features: text to thumbnail, multi-image edit, recreate, face swap, and edits. We'll start with recreate. Here's how I recreated an Iman Gaji thumbnail I liked. I copied the link of the thumbnail, pasted it into the tool, clicked Fetch Thumbnail, then Use this image. From here, you can choose whether you want the creativity level to be high or low. Low creativity lightly enhances the original design. High creativity makes strong, eye-catching changes without completely losing the original look and feel. Then pick the style: default, realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with default style. Click Generate, and Supabix gives you your Iman Gaji style recreated thumbnail. Next, let's move to face swap. I want to replace Iman Gaji's face with Ronaldo's. To do that, I upload the thumbnail, select Iman Gaji's face, click Save and Continue, then upload Ronaldo's face. Click Generate, and the tool produces a clean thumbnail with Ronaldo's face swapped in perfectly. Now let's move to text to thumbnail. I want to create a thumbnail of a player doing a bicycle kick, with 2 defenders next to him looking shocked. You can either write a detailed prompt yourself, or get one from an AI tool like ChatGPT. Give Supabix the prompt. Pick the aspect ratio: a 16:9 landscape, 9:16 portrait, 1:1 square, or a 4:5 portrait classic layout. Since we're making a YouTube thumbnail, we'll go with the 16:9 landscape option. Then select your style: realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with the realistic style and watch it bring your idea to life. Here's the prompt that created this thumbnail. Next, let's go to edits. I want to change the soccer ball to a basketball. All I have to do is upload the thumbnail, describe the change, and Supabix replaces the ball accurately. Finally, let's go to the multi-image edit feature. I want to make Ronaldo wear these glasses, this cap, and these clothes. So first I upload a photo of Ronaldo, then upload the glasses, the cap, and the clothes. I tell the tool how I want them merged, and Supabix blends everything seamlessly and perfectly. And that's it! This is why AI thumbnails are changing YouTube right now. It's not about replacing creativity, it's about removing the guesswork. If you want thumbnails that actually get clicked, not just ones that look nice, this is the fastest way I've found. Try it! Test it on one video. Your analytics will tell you the rest.